Everybody, welcome back. So as well, we have got to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your two-step verification phone number on PlayStation. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. Yeah, we're gonna simply start. So for that matter, we're gonna go ahead access our browser first and go to this section and type in PlayStation, right? And go to this first option and access this official website of PlayStation right over there, and go to this option called sign in, and you're simply going to go ahead enter your sign in ID or email address and tap on this next, and you're going to go ahead enter your password of your account and you will be able to get signed in. Afterwards, you're going to go ahead tap on this gear icon as a settings. So once you have tapped on it, you're going to go to this option called account management, which will lead you to the option of this account information. And then once you're tapped on it, you're going to find this option called security. Go ahead, tap on it, and then you're going to find this option called two-step verification within there. And once you have tapped on it, this will let you have the select activate to switch on to SV, which is two-step verification. But you're going to go ahead tap on it, and then afterwards you're going to go ahead tap on the select how you would like to reset the verification, which will ask you either authenticator app or text message. You're going to choose either of the option, and then you will be able to set yourself a two-step verification. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and this I will be seeing you guys in our next video.